Hello, sir. My name is Shivakumar. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I am pursuing diploma in computer science and engineering. I am interested in Python and Linux technology. I am learning in new thing, improve myself. What is the MySQL? MySQL is a open source is a very popular relational database operating system. MySQL is a types and one free operating systems. The second, MySQL is a free boot and small and for applications. चौथा, माई स्क्यूएल इज relational and skill built is for database management systems. MySQL is development is software in database in management systems. If who use MySQL? MySQL is use Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. It's and who website in Facebook, Twitter in and GitHub. It's yeah. The second option, client management systems and management system like is popular content. It's a very is word development is very word around and word. Third question, you use database, so data is website in its answer. We data used, we should so and database in database systems to billing and website site so database and database so and you will need any relational database management system in from any database management, a server side scripting and language database to use MySQL in database. I want to use HTML, CSS styles, page styles, graphics. What is relational database management systems? Answer, relational database management systems. Relational database used in use program maintenance in relational database management systems. The relational web database management system is formed in Microsoft Server is access used. The data is collection in table organized in row and columns in relational database management systems. What is a database table? A table is data collection in organized and data concept in of column and row. A column is vector is Entity in a table is hold used in data set formal use table base in formal set. What is AWS Cloud? AWS Cloud, AWS the full form Amazon Web Service and word in popular platform. The most option is appended each cloud computing platform in providing in online platform access to computing resource and a database store and other in its server. AWS launched in 2006 in simple server 3S S3. AWS point in the cloud industry and new offers handler and server covering computing storage in database management machine learning and micro. Second question, AWS cloud in student. AWS का free is account. AWS free server used and limited use a server. A cost in not at limiting. Limiting in use you can explore and experiment. Leads in create free accounts. AWS how to free account. AWS sign up. पहले स्टेप में go to the website your to get your free sign up free account sign up. सेकंड स्टेप में क्लिक दी बटन क्रिएट फ्री अकाउंट क्रिएट अकाउंट. तीसरे स्टेप में कंप्लीट दी रजिस्टर अकाउंट. AWS request is to register AWS. A create and cropped and index verification by text phone. What the text wise? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the admin directory of it the resource over with the intent over the pay use and you go pairing. Pay using you pay is only want you used and you queried access and used like storage and database any best. Cloud computing is the client server. Client computing is booting in the cloud service. Server is model device. The send client the request over the remote the internet. Server the process in internet the and return result. Example client and server send request, and server is use remote internet connecting k with use. What is Linux? Linux is operating system open source that is the Microsoft Windows and Valve. Mox Linux power the most server on the internet server.